After food is digested into small and soluble food molecules, it can be absorbed into the circulatory system. This absorption process mainly takes place in the ileum. On the inner wall of the ileum, there are a large number of finger-like projections called villi. Each villus has a lymph vessel called lacteal in the center. The lacteal is surrounded by a network of capillaries. Water-soluble food molecules such as monosaccharides, amino acids and minerals, as well as water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C, are absorbed through the walls of the villi into the capillaries by diffusion and active transport. As the absorption of digested food into the blood increases the water potential of the content in the ileum, water is drawn into the blood by osmosis. On the other hand, fatty acids and glycerol enter the epithelium of the villus by diffusion. In the epithelial cells, they recombine into fine lipid droplets. The lipid droplets then enter the lymph in the lacteal. Lipid-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A and D are also absorbed into the lacteal. The lipids and lipid-soluble vitamins in the lacteal are transported to the main lymph vessels and eventually to the bloodstream.